How you doing?
Yeah, that's the one. And last time this happened, you could try to press the button, but it may like lock itself back with the button. So you have to try to actually pull the hand.
Okay.
Do you need anything?
Nah.
Okay. I'll come and check on you in a minute.
You should walk away then.
Well, I mean, I'll get everybody.
If you're gonna come back and check on me in a minute, you should.
Yeah.
I'll be gone by the time you come back. I promise you.
Do you need water or anything?
Nah, thank you. I just bought something to drink. I appreciate it.
Yeah, I tried to bring it to myself, but I didn't do it very well.
You try to bring it to it yourself?
The hanger is not working. I couldn't get it to the right angle. I almost got it though. I'm not really meant for life of crime, so.
Okay. What am I doing wrong?
I know it's a bitch.
Nah, it's not really. I don't know, for some reason I'm not grabbing the handle. There we go.
You did that quick. I'm impressed.
Really?
Yeah. I just worked on it all night last night. I spent like an hour doing it. I was like, fuck it. I just can't. Forget it.
Yeah, it don't take long. That's why I told you if you was gonna walk away, you was gonna miss it.
That is awesome. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
And do I need to sign anything?
Nah, you're good.
Okay, perfect. Awesome. You are my hero.
You have a good one, all right?
Oh, you too, man. Thank you so much. Hooray.